Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Google Sheets and creating a blank file. Name it so you can find it later. Next, plan columns. Label headers with exact data types, units, or formats like date, dollar amounts, or percent. This prevents cleanup later. Once done, enter headers in row 1 and freeze that row so headers stay visible when you scroll. Make sure to set initial column widths roughly to fit expected data, and apply bold formatting to headers so scanning is fast. You now structure rows and start entering data. If you paste a list, use data split text to columns to separate fields quickly. Then apply data validation on columns. Set dropdowns, number ranges, date constraints, or custom formulas to enforce consistency. Once validation is set, use Control or Command shortcuts. Control/CMD plus D to fill down, Control/CMD plus Shift plus V to paste values, to speed entry. Also, convert columns. You finish by converting the range into a readable table. Select it and apply alternating colors for quick scanning, then enable filters so you can sort and query instantly. Next, add summary formulas like SUM, average, or a single query if you need custom extraction. Finally, share with correct permissions and lock important ranges. If something goes wrong, check cell formats and remove invisible characters or extra spaces. Reapply data validation and use trim or value to repair stubborn entries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.